posters of Kylo Ren.
Where's the sun?
Oh no!
I want that resistance bomb. Answers our questions.
You only get one shot.
Have you seen the Wookiee who pilots the Millennium Falcon? There are two sides to the Force. Choose carefully. Goodbye. Yes, sir. And anyone aiding a fugitive will be dealt with. We will destroy the resistance. No one will stand in our way. Not even you. Have eyes on you. Good luck.
I got some blue milk because did you even go to Batuu if you didn't get blue milk? And I don't know which one to get. Do I get blue or do I get green? I feel blue. It's a classic. This right here, which kind of looks gross in there. That's cool. So, note to self, bring my passport next time I want to buy alcohol, because apparently my Ontario driver's license wasn't good enough. But this blue milk is delightful. Probably would have been better with rum though. Coconut rum. But it's good. I tried to tell the guy I was 41, because I am. But he said I didn't look like it, so I guess that's a compliment. But I still want rum. Cheers. It's Rise of the Resistance time. I don't know which one I was more excited for. This one or Smuggler's Run. Maybe this one.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pacara. I'll regroup with you there. The resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pacara base secret. Lieutenant Bek, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Nien Nunb and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 from Pacara. Good. Airspeed sensor. Review. Thank you, Nien Nunb. Black Leader, are you and your team ready? Affirmative. Engines are on. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Bek. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Pacara. Red 2, Blue 5. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got? There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields. We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta clear the path so transport can make authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
How quick, get out there! They'll want the location of our secret base.
Look at them all. This one.
You're always done on blue. How many here? 6. I'm not asking you. How many? 4 on orange, 2 on silver. You see how I was talking to her and not you? I apologize. Yes. 4 on orange, 2 on silver. How many here? Don't get to keep your bags on to remove them before I have to come and yell at you. It's today your birthday.
It is.
This very day.
Yes.
What a rare occasion. It's a shame you've been captured.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your mere resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We're here to rescue. Remember the codes you were given. Let's go. Blue and medical. Last followed by silver line to the right. Go to your colors. Blue and medical.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey!
outside the wreck. Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Bek? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Bek. I need schedule spotted. Lieutenant Bek here. Bek! You're alive! I sure met so. Great job, recruit.
Best day ever.
Your heroism, the location of the resistance base, is